Adani Power on Thursday said to promoter group entities namely Fortitude Trade and Investment and Emerging Market Investment DMCC bought a combined 2.1% stake in the Adani Group company in September so far. As per a BSE filing, Fortitude Trade and Investment bought 6,58,47,000 shares, or 1.71%, stake in Adani Power between 5th September and 21st September. Besides, Emerging Market Investment DMCC bought an additional 1,92 lakh shares, or 0.50%, stake in Adani Power between 21st September and 25th September. A total of 8.5 crore Adani Power shares have been bought by the two entities, raising promoter stake in the company to 69.09% from 66.88% earlier. Shares of Adani Power cut losses and were trading almost flat at 374 rupees and 90 paise on BSE. Emerging Market Investment DMCC held 19 crores 23 lakh shares, or 4.99% stake in Adani Power as on 30th June. With the fresh stake purchase, it now owns 5.48% stake, or 21.15 crore shares, in Adani Power. Fortitude Trade and Investment, which belongs to promoters, was not among Adani Power shareholders as on 30th June. Earlier this month, the Adani Group promoters were seen buying shares in Adani Enterprises Ltd and Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited. Through Compass Trade and Investment and Infinite Trade and Investment, Adani Enterprises promoters had upped stake in the company by 2.06 percentage points between 21st August and 7 September. AL promoters now own 71.93% stake in Adani Enterprises against 69.87% earlier. Besides,